Hey guys, this is Amma from Referrals Paper video for of consider preferred. So guys, today I'm going to unbox LG G8x of 6GB and 128GB RAM, and which I bought it in Big Billion Days for around 22,000 rupees. And so finally I got this. So there is no fake sale actually. This is very good price and everything. I just unboxed this piece because I just provided cash on delivery for the first after a long time, so in order to verify the mobile phone or not. That's it. So without any further ado, I'll be opening this, and in the meantime please subscribe my channel too. So yeah, it's 22,000. You can check it clearly, and the GST which I paid to the tax is around 3,354. That's huge. So this is the box present here. You can check the LG G8x ThinQ dual screen display. So this is how the box it comes, and on top we have LG G8x dual screen, and on right side we have some barcodes and everything, and on the bottom we have G8x dual screen and enhanced with LG. After a long time I purchased LG phone actually. I bought the LG phone at on my 8th class. That is the first touchscreen mobile phone. After that, after a very long time, it's very good work done by LG actually, and the brand value of LG was like increased a lot in this sale actually. So you can check it, 6GB and 128GB RAM. So let me just open it also. So yeah, festive special limited edition work from home. So this is a mobile phone. Let me keep this aside, and yeah, here you have LG dual screen also. Let me keep this aside, and so this is a box here, and on the bottom you got it, the MRP is of 70,000. Now in Flipkart you are getting it for around 55,000, sorry. And yeah, the charger is not coming with it, and the power adapter with it, and the server value is 0.652 and head value is 0.81. It's manufactured in Vietnam, not in China. That's great actually, and I just worried about it. You'll be getting DDS sound in fact. So it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, which is a last year flagship processor, and under this price segment it's very great, and it comes with 6GB of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. That's great. So you can see the LG cloth is present here. So this is a mobile phone. So let me just keep this aside and check what all are present here. Case cover with it, quick starter guide, and SIM ejector pin here. That's great. This is fine in fact, good quality, good premium quality from LG. That is really awesome. So we have a Type-C port. I'm thinking to purchase a charger also. I'll just mention which chargers do you have to purchase for this mobile phone, which supports Qualcomm quick charging technology. So this is the cable, and this is almost a meter wide. That's it, and you are getting it USB Type-C. Okay, the other thing which I like it is earphones. Yeah, you got 4 earbuds extra. Let me just 1, 2, 3, 4 of different sizes. That's great. It's premium quality earphones. LG is meant, but these are not magnetic connected, but that's fine. But you got volume rockers, multifunction button here. So this is guys, this is LG dual screen, and this is not for sale, complimentary with LG G8x ThinQ, made in Vietnam. So let me just open this one also, the LG dual screen, and let me just open this one also. So guys, this is front. You can clearly check the screen. I'm visible in this screen, and my entire gimbal and everything is visible. That's literally great, and you have small display present here. I'll be showing it later. But guys, the quality of this case is also tremendous actually. It's good. It's flexible here, but it's fine, and you got a dual screen here. That's great actually. This magnetic adapter, so that you can just connect it here, and you can charge while using your dual screen. That's actually super fantastic, done by LG, and you got an adapter. So let me just open this one also, show it to you. It's like they have inspired from MacBook Air, which I have it. And it supports actually around 21.5 watts fast charging. That is also great. You get all the premium features. That doesn't mean that you got it for a low cost. That doesn't mean that it's not a normal phone. It's a premium flagship mobile itself, under this price segment. That is literally great, and you can see my fingerprints and everything are following it here. Let me just test it whether you can erase the screen guards or not. Like, yeah, so you can check it. Yeah, that's fine, that's working. And I should purchase 3 screen guards perhaps, for one here, two here and third is there. That's going to be again costly for me. Let's see it aside. And guys, coming towards this mobile phone, let me just peel this off and keep this aside, and let me just boot it for the first time. So LG G8x, thank you, powered by Android. It's erasing something. So guys, in the meantime, before it boot, so in the meantime, let me just discuss about this. So on top we have 32 megapixel camera, and on the top we have speaker. It works as an earpiece and also as a speaker actually. Here we have SIM ejector pin. You can check it here. We have noise cancellation mic, and here we have power buttons. On the bottom we have speaker grill present, and it supports DTS support. That's great. And here we have USB Type-C cable for speakers like Type-C, and here you have mic. You can check it. Here you have 3.5mm jack. That's great. In this flagship mobile phone, it comes with 4000 mAh battery. For single screen, it's enough for one day usage, but for dual screen, we have to test it, and I'll be posting the review of the unit soon. On the left, we have this Google Assistant button. Actually, that's nice, and we have volume rockers. So on the back, we have 12 plus 13 megapixel camera, dual 12 flashlight, LG G8x. It is glass actually. So on the back, you get Gorilla Glass 3, and on the front, you are going to get Gorilla Glass 6. And you have in-display fingerprint, so that's great. So let me just set up, and it comes with NFC or support also for payments and everything, for secure payments and everything. And it comes with 41% of battery currently. So you can check, with notch and without notch. It's up to you. Set up a fingerprint. Yeah, so I'm just setting it up. So I just configured it here. So I'm just configuring it 15%, 23%, 20. Yeah, got it. You can check this mobile phone present here, and so let me just open it here. Yeah, let me go to the about mobile phone. Yeah, you have this about phone here, LG G8x. Think this is the model numbers, versions, everything, network status, battery life. Yeah, let me just go to the internal storage, and you have 194 gigabytes of free space. So that's fine actually. Almost 28.24 GB storage is used. This is like I'm not sure why they are getting it off. This is the button where you can actually press it, and Google Assistant will be opening it up. That's fine. And quick, you can actually use quick memos and everything. Dual screen apps, you have a list of couple of dual screen: Asphalt 8, Modern Combat. Oh, nice. You have all these apps actually. And let me just open the camera. Yeah, so guys, this is a camera. The camera quality is super good, and this is a video of it. So this is a video. So video is okay, fine. So guys, here, let me just keep it aside, and you can see the product, how it is. The camera is good in fact, and I'm not sure how we are going to check it. I'll just post it here. You can check it. So guys, this is how the cam quality it is, and let me just go towards a portrait. This is a portrait mode. You can check the blur, the background pillow and everything. It's fine actually. That's not up to the mark, but that's okay under this price segment. And this is a back facing camera, and this is a portrait is available, and this is a normal phone which is of 32 megapixel. And the phone which I'm shooting this is Realme 2 Pro, which I'm using this for 2 years, and all my vlogs are recorded over there, and that's fine. Guys, this is of the camera, and you have the beautify mode, and you have the video also, and we have the manual cameras actually. So this is useful for the purposes of vlogging and connecting mics and everything. So that's great. And let me just connect the dual screen with this mobile phone. The dual screen display present here. So let me just made in Vietnam, model number and everything. Yes, this is how it is. So let me just close it. And yeah, guys, you can clearly check that dual screen is available here. So you can just open it here, and as well as this is a brightness. I just want to increase it. So okay, so this is a blue screen, and yes, you have the other screen present here, battery and other notification symbols which are present. You'll be getting here. I just want to open here YouTube. and connect to the internet, that's fine. And let me just open the Play Store here. So guys, you can clearly check, you can open Play Store, YouTube, 2 at a time in the screen. That's really awesome for this mobile phone. Actually, this is a highlight feature of it, and you know, the buttons were given here so that you can just click it here, volume rockers and whatnot. So here you can check the case actually on the back side also. The dual camera, LG G8x thingy and flash and everything. That's really good. This is how it is. We can connect it and we can charge it to the mobile phone. And so yeah guys, so this is how the unboxing of it, and I'll be posting you the camera and the gaming review soon. So for that, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this mobile phone or something, please let me know. I'll be replying you as early as possible, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that it gives me a lot of motivation. And yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.